In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Remitly UAE to India. To get started, open your Remitly account in the app or on the website, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in and ready to begin before moving forward. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top. Tap or click that country option, and then select India as the destination country. This is important because it ensures your transfer is set up correctly for the person receiving the money in India. After selecting India, go ahead and click Send Money. This will open the transfer setup page, where you can begin entering the details for your transaction. At this stage, if the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, you can simply select that saved contact to save time and avoid entering the same details again. If the recipient is not already saved, click New Contact instead. Then select their country, which in this case should be India. Make sure you choose the correct recipient profile so your transfer is directed properly. Taking a moment here to confirm the destination can help prevent delays later in the process. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to the transfer summary on the screen. This usually helps you review the amount being sent, along with any fees or exchange rate information that may apply. It's always a good idea to double-check the amount before continuing so everything matches what you intend to send. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. The options available may vary depending on the recipient and the destination, so choose the one that best fits how you want the money to be received. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer, so choose the option that works best for you. When everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details. Be careful during this part, because accurate account information is essential for a smooth and successful transfer. Enter the requested details exactly as needed, then continue by following the prompts shown on your screen. As you move through the final screens, review everything one more time before confirming. This extra check can help you catch any mistakes before the transfer is submitted. Once confirmed, your money transfer from Remitly UAE to India will be on its way. And that's it. That's how to send money from Remitly UAE to India using Remitly.